If you're looking for a job across Europe, you've probably heard of the Europass CV. It's a standardized CV format created by the European Union to make applying for jobs across different countries simpler. It's available in multiple languages and aims to create a clear, unified structure for employers. You can easily configure your Europass CV in multiple languages, ensuring your skills are understood across borders. This flexibility is crucial for international job applications. The Europass CV includes key components like Europass Mobility, Diploma Supplement, and Certificate Supplement. Each section enhances your professional profile, making your qualifications clear and accessible. But is the Europass CV the right CV for your job application? When we look at the Europass CV format, we can see that its content and structure are similar to that of any modern CV. It allows you to list relevant work experience, education, and skills. While it is a recognized format, the Europass CV has its limitations. The standardized design offers very little room for customization. This means it can be difficult to make your CV stand out from the competition. The truth is, many countries and industries have their own expectations for a CV. A one-size-fits-all approach might not work. That's why it's worth exploring alternatives and creating a CV that you can tailor to the specific job and country you're applying to, whether that is for an engineering job in Germany or a marketing role in Spain. CV Maker provides customizable CV templates as well as job-specific examples for different countries, allowing you to create a CV that stands out. A tailored approach can highlight your unique skills and experiences effectively. Start with CV Maker to build your CV. Utilize additional resources like cover letter templates to enhance your job search. We've explored the Europass CV structure, pros, cons, and alternatives. By understanding these, you can choose the best format for your career goals. In today's job market, your CV is your first impression. Take action now. Create your CV and explore new job opportunities across Europe. Your next career move starts today.